What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Hensley's food review. Today we are trying curry chicken from the Caribbean restaurant. So, what I got was curry chicken, margarine cheese, and fried rice. This restaurant is called Gee's Caribbean Restaurant. It is an authentic Jamaican restaurant here in Cincinnati, Ohio. And it comes with the cornbread. And also, I'm drinking watermelon flavored green tea. So, let's jump into it. I'll take another bite, guys. That was a bone. Let's try this. Okay, as y'all know, my last video I tried jerk chicken, which was kind of spicy, but it was good. It was delicious. I was told to try curry chicken. It's good. Don't get me wrong, it's good. It don't have that much spice. I'm not a fan of carrots, but it's got big chunk of carrots. But let's eat a cat. Chicken's juicy. It's nice and tender. Seasoned well, like y'all can see. The season on it is great. It's coated really good. Mac and cheese is alright. The last time I had it was better. But it's really good. I do give it a. I do like it. It's nice. It's a nice portion. As y'all can see, it's a nice portion for $14. This that bread is amazing. It's amazing. Telling y'all, it's even got a little bit of chicken skin in it. And yes, y'all, I am sitting in the middle of the woods doing this review for you guys. But yeah, like I said, I like the flavor of the chicken. I like the portions. I like the tenderness of the chicken. Just move the chicken out of the way, get some rice. Rice is cooked perfect. It's not too soft. It's not hard. Oh my God. Like y'all, I mean, I'm sorry, I'm just gonna keep eating, but it's delicious. Scoop the rice and chicken together. On point. I'm telling you, it's like up spot on. So we'll do a rating of everything. Then I'll do a whole rating of the whole meal together. So chicken rating, we're gonna do the curry chicken. I'm gonna give it an 8. I'm gonna give it the seasoning an 8. Tenderness of the chicken, the juicy of the chicken, I'm gonna give it a 10. The flavor of the macaroni and cheese, it wasn't as good as it was last time, but last time I think I gave it like a 7, so check the other video. But today I'm gonna have to give it a 6. The rice, I'm gonna give it a 9 because it's just cooked just perfect. The cornbread, I don't even know if it's cornbread, but this bread, I'm giving it a 10 because it is banging. So all together, for portions, I'm gonna give it a 10 for 14 bucks. This is a nice size portion. So my overall rating of the whole dish, I'm gonna give it a 9.5. If you want to go by stars, I would give it a 4-star for sure. It's a lot of bones though. So if y'all like this video and you'd like to see more, please leave a comment at the bottom. Let me know what you would like to see. With that being said, as always, peace out. Stay hungry.